Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking to impress your guests and relatives with a beautiful set of knives, I got the perfect one for you. This is the KnifeSaga knife set. It has 15 pieces. They're Japanese high carbon stainless steel and they are beautiful. Not only do they have the perfect look to decor your kitchen, but they are also very functional. These are great to use for cutting meat, vegetables, produce, or bread. You're also going to see that these are stainless steel all the way around. I also appreciate that it comes with this acacia wood block, that it's high quality and it's solid wood. I was really impressed by this set of knives because it comes with every piece you need. It comes with the steak knives, with the chef knife, slicing knife, the bread knife, utility, the scissors, and of course the sharpening steel. This set of knives, I promise, will not disappoint you. KnifeSaga has a variety of high quality knives that I would highly recommend. This knife set will make cooking so much easier and you're going to love it just as much as I do. And that is my point of view.